How to download your full expense report of your farm. Mining Vegetables application offers a variety of features, one of which is the ability for a farmer to download their expense report, the expenses made on their farm. One of the reasons why farmers should be able to download their expense reports is be able to maintain data backup of their financial records. Here is a quick way on how to download the full expense report. While on your dashboard, go to Finances, go to Expenses, then scroll down, click on the Download Full Expense Report link. Once you click on the link, it directs you to the expense report. Then hit the download button and save your documents. Would be on your computer.